Hey Dawn, I'm Dawn, Amber, wrong teacher. Just wanted to show you really quickly the weirdness of the fonts. So here, as you see, I wanted to use this Acumen variable concept. Let's just click in here to pull up fonts. I mean, here it is, right? And you can see it's here. This was not something that I downloaded. It's right here. So then I go here, and here I would like to use Acumen variable. Then when I come up in her, um, nice. It's not in there. Excuse all my text messages. Yeah, so here we are again. Acumin is how it's spelled. Where am I? Oh yeah, right here, right there. I mean, just not, again, back here, not available. I mean, I can even look just in case as I scroll up here in the A's. It's AC. So it should be after Abril, and it's just not. And I can't search for it. And if I look in Google Fonts, it doesn't exist. Just nothing. I don't. Anyways, I can pick something else, but I just thought I'd show you the weirdness, and maybe there's something, some tip or something. I don't know. Anyways, hope you're having a good one. Thanks.